Woohoo! Fly, fly! Higher! Yes!
Hey, Tyler, what are you doing?
I'm playing with my new toy airplane, Daddy.
Who bought you the airplane? It looks very nice.
Mommy bought it for me this morning when we were at a shopping mall.
You went shopping with Mommy this morning?
Yeah, we had a lot of fun, Daddy.
Did Mommy buy any stuff for her?
Yes, she bought 2 new dresses and a brand new bag. They're very fancy. Oops. Mommy told me not to tell you. I forgot. Oh no.
I knew it. I need to talk to your mom. Where is she?
In the kitchen, I guess. Please don't be mad at her.
Okay, you stay outside and play with your toy, okay? Don't come in unless I call you to come.
Daddy, slow down. Don't tell her that I told you, okay? She will take my airplane back. I have just played for 10 minutes, please.
Okay, don't come in here. Remember my words?
Okay, Daddy. Poor Mommy. Why couldn't she buy anything for herself? Oh no, my airplane! No, stop! Oh my, are you kidding me? Now I lost my toy in Mr. Rock's backyard. What should I do? He kicked my ball to the trash can the last time it landed on his window. I bet that there's no chance for me to see my airplane again. No, it cannot be like that. It's just an accident. He will understand. I need to take it back.
A few moments later.
Knock, knock. Is anybody home? Hello? Knock, knock.
Comments. Who's that?
Good afternoon, Mr. Rock. It's nice to see you again. I haven't seen you in a while. I just want to check if everything is fine for you.
I'm fine. What's your problem?
No, not a problem.
Then goodbye. I don't like kids. Stay away from my house.
A few moments later.
Knock, knock. Mr. Rock, excuse me.
What's that? Why do you keep bothering me?
Mr. Rock, I'm sorry to tell you that my favorite toy landed in your backyard. May I take it back?
No, you may not. Anything that lands on my land will be mine.
No, please. It's my new toy plane Mommy just bought me this morning. She spent all her savings to buy that for me. Please. It was just an accident. I didn't throw it in your backyard on purpose, I swear.
A plane? You like airplanes?
Yes, I do. Please, Mr. Rock. Oh, I can see that you have some airplanes picture on the wall. You love airplanes too?
Okay, I will take your toy. Come on, hurry up.
Thank you so much. Wow, you even have an airplane model in the middle of the house. Is it an alien museum? I've never seen anything like this before.
Here's your airplane. Now you can go.
Wait, what is this, Mr. Rock? It looks weird.
It was a glider. You didn't learn about it at school or something?
No, I didn't. Who were these people?
You told me that you love airplanes, but you don't know anything about it. These were the Wright brothers.
Who?
Really? They were the inventors of the first airplane.
Oh, so they were scientists.
No, they weren't. In fact, they did not even finish high school. They were just normal people with a big dream.
A dream of flying?
Yes, this is Wilbur and this is Orville. They grew up in Indiana in a large family. Neither of them finished high school. Instead of spending time reading a book or solving boring math problems, they wanted to work and make things, like machines.
Oh, amazing. What is the place where they work? A bicycle shop?
Yeah, when the brothers were 18 and 22 years old, they started up their own printing press and the bicycle shop.
But how were they inspired to invent the airplane?
It started with the thing that you have just asked me about, the glider. One day, Wilbur read an interesting story in the paper about a man trying to fly in a glider.
Wow, did he make it?
No, he died eventually.
What? Poor him.
Yeah, but the point is that the story gave the brothers an idea. They decided to teach themselves about flying in order to make a perfect glider.
That sounds nice. Could they make a good one?
Yeah, they tested it on the beach and guess what? It worked very well. But the dream didn't stop there. The Wright brothers decided to improve their glider into something bigger, like a flying machine.
How?
Well, look at this picture. What do you see?
An engine? What's that?
A propeller. Then yes, they put an engine and a propeller on the glider. They even gave it a name. If you get your own plane, what will you call it?
Tyler's amazing airplane, I guess.
Yeah, the brother had the same idea. They called it the Wright Flyer. What do you think about the name? Did it sound good?
Yeah, sort of. But mine is better.
Do you want to watch the video about the first attempt to fly the glider?
Sure. Please show me. I cannot wait to see how far and how high the plane can fly.
Alright. And look at it. This were the airplane and they were excited to get on it. And then, boom.
Oh no, they fell on it. They must be very upset about that.
Maybe, but they did not give up. They tried again and again. Do you know the code fake it until you make it?
No. This is the first time I heard it. What does it mean?
It means if you don't give up on yourself, then one day you could be successful. To the Wright brothers, with a little more hard work, their plane could fly up.
Wow. And that's how the planes were born. So inspirational.
Here, look at this picture. I cut it out of the magazine. On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers made history by flying the Wright Flyer over the beach at Kitty Hawk, north of California.
I love your story, your images, and even the video that you showed me. I don't know why you don't like kids. That's so weird.
Actually, I was a pilot. I lost my son during the war. This is another long story. If you want to listen to it, come back tomorrow.
Sure, I'll be back. Thank you for letting me in, Mr. Rock.
Thank you for listening to me. If you know what your dream is, don't ever give up on it.
Yes, Mr. Rock. Goodbye.
Bye, Tyler. Good boy.